Most CAD programs make you click through endless menus. But what if you could design 3D printable parts by just writing code? That's exactly what OpenSCAD does, and it's surprisingly powerful once you get past the initial learning curve. OpenSCAD uses text-based scripts instead of a graphical interface. You define basic shapes like cubes, cylinders, and spheres, then combine them using operations like union and difference. The real advantage is parametric control. Change one variable at the top of your script and every dimension that depends on it updates instantly. Need to resize an enclosure for a different board? Edit one line, hit F5, and you're done. The syntax is straightforward. Primitives are simple one-line commands, and you position them using transformations like translate and rotate. Everything nests logically, so complex assemblies are just combinations of simple operations. There's definitely a learning curve if you've never coded before, but for functional parts and mechanical assemblies, the precision and repeatability are hard to beat with traditional GUI tools. Check the full guide at NozzleDown.com, link in the description.